Amna said to get on this trolley. I don't know what she's planning to do. Hey people, how are you all? I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Because guys, we're in Ikea today. I'm here with Amna, and guys, we're just having a look around Ikea. So I thought I'd bring you guys along and join the fun. Here we go. Let's have a little look at Ikea and what they've got. I love the candles. They all smell so nice.
This one doesn't smell nice.
It does. It smells so nice.
No, yeah, apple doesn't smell nice.
So Amna's favourite is the apple one. Alright guys, so Amna's just checking out the books here, and they've actually got such a cool room. Look guys, look how cool this room is. Such a cool room. What's your views on it?
I love it.
She loves it. Guys, I'm going to try and get her to be on the vlog more often, but she's just like getting used to it. But this is so cool. Do the books have anything in them, or is it just fake?
There's actually books.
Oh, they actually are. I thought it was just a set. Here is the coffee maker. You put your coffee in there, you can warm it up, and guys, I'm stealing everything Amna says. I'm literally just stealing it from
the virus.
Yeah, coronavirus everywhere. Literally, guys, what is coronavirus? How is it with you guys near you? Let me know down below. Guys, it's terrible where we are. Like, the panic is real. Like, toilet paper sold out, pasta's sold out. You went to the supermarket the other day and everything was sold out. It is so much stuff, like, just sold out, but... Let's go have a look at some plates. What's that? Oh, just jars. Yeah. They are quite cool. Mason jars. Isn't that what it's called? Oh, that's cool. With the Hawaii style, guys. That's so cool.
What? Just mugs?
I think so.
The mood mugs.
Mood mugs? Oh yeah, because they all have different moods on them, look. One's grumpy, one's happy, one's sad. That's quite cool. Amna's just invited us to her kitchen. Yo, hi.
Oh, hello, I did not see you there. Welcome to my kitchen.
Do you want to show us around what's what?
Yes, so here we have a sink.
Oh yeah? How much did that cost? That sink?
£229.
Oh right. Where?
Actually, it's just the top.
Oh, that was just the top. Okay.
The sink is £260.
Oh wow, so that guys is a massive 400 and something pounds.
Actually, altogether it's 5,000.
5,000.
Yours is 5,000.
Could be mine for 5,000. Wow. Where, and how much was this amazing thing over here? Priceless. Oops. And I broke it.
My fridge.
Wow, looks very empty.
Yes.
You've got some carrots I can
That's where I
see.
keep my eggs.
Oh yeah, the eggs,
And
carrots.
my alcohol here.
Oh yeah. Can I ask what that is over there? It looks kind of like gross.
It's lentils.
Oh, lentil soup. Okay.
Got my drink here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It looks nice. Oh, and then you've got the oven over there.
In the freezer, I don't have anything in there.
Oh yeah, because obviously frozen is. Yeah.
Again, I have this as well.
Oh guys, look at that.
Jars. Again, empty.
This is actually so you, because you didn't have that many jars.
I don't know what this is supposed to be. I haven't figured it out yet.
Okay. What about these? How much did these cost you? Set you back?
I don't know. I think they were a gift.
Oh, fair enough. Fair enough.
And then here you have the what is it called?
This is the.
What is it? I don't know what it's called.
What is it called? Yeah, I don't actually know what it's called either. Hob. Glass ceramic hob. Hob. So this is the hob, is it?
You read it from there.
So this is the glass ceramic hob, guys.
This is where I keep all my.
Plates. Oh wow, you don't wash them very well. It's a bit dusty.
Well, you know, I don't have time to do it. My cleaner's a bit lazy.
Oh yeah.
Here I have my glasses and my mum's.
Oh right. Yeah.
What do I have here? Just like some spices.
Oh, fair enough. Pepper, yeah. And then, wait, I've got a really weird question. Who's that in the photo?
That is my lovely husband and his ex-wife.
His ex-wife? Why is he got a picture? Why does your husband have a picture of his ex-wife?
That's a bit,
Personal.
yeah.
Okay.
I like to keep them all in.
Oh look, you've got, so this is Smart House. You can play songs from.
It's a bit loud. My neighbours don't like it.
Oh sorry, I'll turn it down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Change the song to a more upbeat song. I probably don't want to play it. Wait, how do I pause it? Copyright. There you go. Oh, this is quite nice actually. I gotta say, I do rate your kitchen. This is quite a nice kitchen. Oh, hello there. Hi, how's it going? It looks very nice, I've got to say.
Thank you.
So, do you want to talk me through it?
Yes. So let's start here.
Okay, yep.
This is where I do all my
Cooking.
cooking.
Right, you're right.
I have soup in here.
Oh yeah, very nice. Any type of soup?
Chicken soup.
Oh, chicken soup, very nice.
This is where I'm going to put all my spices in.
Oh, okay. Oh yes, obviously the sink.
All my spoons.
Bit empty.
Here I keep all my
Priceless possessions.
Yeah, that I only use when special guests come.
Okay, like me.
We do not touch them.
Like me, right?
Yeah, debatable.
Okay.
I want to show you the best bit. This is my pantry.
Oh wow! So you've got like
Amazing.
pastas. You've got
Got all different types of pastas. Got
rice. Is it rice basmati?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good quality.
And then look at my jams.
Oh, very nice.
And here is just like my bags. Or I keep my alcohol up there.
Your
All
alcohol.
my cereals. My fruits.
Yeah. Oh, looks very nice. Oh, you've got more alcohol down there.
Yeah, sorry, in there.
You're a bit of an alcoholic. Yeah. All right, guys.
Just have it once in a while.
Right.
And
And then you. Your house's location, I've got to say, it's in quite a interesting spot, right in the middle of Ikea.
oh, it's okay. I can.
Right.
This fridge is really cool. It doesn't even look like a fridge. It's like a cupboard.
That's really good. How much did you pay for that? 650. Why have you got all the labels on? Like,
Because it's just moved in.
oh, I see. Where does this door lead?
Oh, you can't do it.
Oh, is it just for decoration?
No, you just can't. You're not allowed through.
Oh, fair enough.
But one thing I do not like is this.
Oh, you don't like the table?
No, it's quite high up. I feel like I have to jump up.
Oh, yeah.
So I need to get this changed.
Oh, yeah. Well, you're in the middle of Ikea. You could probably find something quite nice. Yeah, I'll have some tea. Oh, yes, please. Can I use one of those cups?
No,
Oh.
sorry.
I'm just gonna go. Bye.
So we are at AJ's today. He's going to show us his kitchen.
How are you
Hello.
doing?
Would you like to give us a tour of your
Yeah,
kitchen?
of course. So this is my cupboard. I've got some lovely plants up here. I love my plants. You see, I've got my lovely plants over here too. Absolutely lovely. There's a lot of privacy, as you can tell, in this kitchen. Like people from my kids can see it whilst I'm cooking. Lovely colleague announcements at times in my house, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. This is my sleeping quarters in here. I won't go into there because you don't need to see that. But over here, I've got a lovely pull-out drawer. It's empty, but I've got a lovely pull-out drawer over here. I'm trying to find my fridge. I don't actually know where my fridge is. Oh, my fridge is here. Right. Oh, look at that. So
Beautiful.
I've got some peppers in
Oh,
down
so you
there.
like the green top milk?
Oh yeah, all the time. I don't drink. This is actually like yeah, my guests.
Do they
for
come with the
guests.
fridge?
Yeah. I don't actually drink milk, but oh, this is my freezer. I've got some ice cubes down there.
Lovely.
Only £750.
That's not bad. What's at the top there?
Oh, this is cupboard space. Just if you ever need like any, you know. But I really want to show you my flowers. Over here, I've got a lovely rosemary garden. So this is lavender. Sorry, lavender. Very nice lavender garden over here. I've even got lavender soap. Look at that.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, lovely lavender soap over here.
I see a lot of people just walking past.
Yeah,
Do
it's
you not have any doors?
No, unfortunately, it didn't come with the house, like property. Like it just didn't come. But what I'm making sure is that the filming's a little bit. Are you sure you're a professional camera?
I don't
For MTV
know.
Cribs, I
We'll
don't know.
see at the end.
For MTV Cribs, I'm not sure this is fake. But I'll come here. Look, I've got a sightseeing test. Like in my kitchen. So whenever like, you know, I've got something round, I always do letters. So can you see the top letters?
I can indeed.
Can you see the middle letters?
I can. I'm wearing contact lenses, so
Oh,
I can see.
perfect. So your contact lenses are working, obviously. And here we've got more flowers of my choosing. We've got quite nice. You know, people always go, why do I have so many flowers? Well, I'm bougie like that. In here, I've got Empty
Nothing.
cupboard. You see, like, oh, look at this. My favourite book by Philippa Gregory.
What is it about?
It's about
I'm sorry.
it's about good question. It's actually in a different language. Actually, it's in a different language when I was gonna go read. It's just in.
What language? It looks German.
I think it's from whichever. Where's Ikea from? Sweden.
Swedish.
Yeah, Swedish.
Oh, I like these. They're quite cool.
Oh, thank you.
So I see you don't have roof either.
No, the rain sometimes does come in.
Lovely. So where does this lead to then?
Oh, that's my garden, isn't it?
Oh wow, it's nice.
Yeah, so
I
I can't
can
open
see
it
all
because I don't have a locked.
trees.
Yeah, I'm locked in
all the
though.
leaves. Like your little curtain as well.
As you can see, I'm locked in.
Oh.
But anyway, guys, we don't need to see that. I'm just white curtain. But yes,
So who is this painting by?
this is by Van Gogh.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's only £25 from Ikea. But
What's in here?
in here, oh, this is a good question. I've got all my plates, the ones you've actually got. That's funny a lot. And I also I've got a lovely bread kitchen, bread
Bread kit.
Guys, I can't do this. Bread kitchen. And in here I've got nothing.
Alright, well that's enough I think. We've
Yeah.
seen enough.
Oh, and I've got cloths in here.
Why have you got a little stool here?
Oh, because I'm not actually tall enough to reach the sink. So.
Oh really?
I think that's headbutt on my head. So you've showed me your kitchen. Now let's see your bedroom. So this is your bedroom, is it? Oh, is that your ex? Why is your ex-husband and his ex-wife? No, your husband and your ex-wife, his ex-wife,
Well,
still there.
it's my
In-
ex's house, so we need to get rid of that.
I
She's
see.
still in the kitchen.
So wait, you married? Oh, okay.
Like I said, let's not go into my personal life, please.
All
I'll
right.
call you here for that.
Right.
So yeah, this is my bed.
It looks very nice, very fancy.
Like you just sinking in.
I'm going to join you in there. Oh, this is quite nice actually. It's very comfortable.
And then
Yeah. Did you take those shots yourself? Wow, the talent right there. That is amazing talent.
and finally enough, I took this over.
Did you?
That's why it's still there.
Oh, is that where you met?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Wow, you're the photographer. Wow.
Yeah.
They look so happy in that photo. Now I bet they're not. Oh, but anyway, let's go into your. Oh, what's in there? Anything in there that's nice?
Yeah, so these are all my designer suits.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's his side as well.
His side, yeah, as well.
Over there.
Yeah.
Oops.
You've just broken your own cupboard, I think.
A little bit heavy.
Oh, and this
His
is.
side as well.
It seems to take up quite a lot. Oh, is that your side over there? Oh, I see. Right.
So this is again his side.
He's got a nice watch over there.
He does.
Did you buy that for him?
I did indeed.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So he's still in the process of moving in.
Oh yes, yeah. That's what it makes sense.
Um,
Nothing in there. Just a
yeah,
few
this is his
clothes.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is all his, and then
What's in that side drawers? Anything interesting inside?
personal stuff.
Oh, okay, fine, fine.
Got this lovely plant here.
Oh yeah, how much does that
Amazing.
cost?
£7.
£7?
£7.
Oh wow, that's amazing. What amazing guest. I'm amazing at guessing, guys. Like. Oh yeah. Wow.
Amazing. The lighting here is perfect.
I want to see your side. If you.
Yeah, so these are my shoes.
What size are you? Without looking, what size are you though?
My size vary actually.
Oh right.
This is all his stuff.
He's been putting it in the wrong places, has he?
This is my little dressing room.
How much do these set you back? These ones over here.
Oh, I don't even know this. I don't think they're even out yet.
Wow,
My
that's
good friend sent them.
wow. Look, IK shoes. Wow,
Yeah.
that's just that's talent right there.
It's all my jewellery, my little headband there.
Oh, you just turned off a light out. Yeah.
Quite
Is the light
cute.
broken? Something seems. a bit-
No, it just flickers as soon as you take it out.
Oh, I see. As if it's an
My
alarm
other-
system. Oh, bikinis. Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, still need to put more stuff in here.
Wow, it looks quite nice. Gotta say. Was that the
My
suit?
little
Do you wear that to work? That one.
hats. Yeah, these are just my work outfits.
Law outfits.
Yeah.
Wow.
With my
very
own
nice.
Firm. Yeah.
Very good. Oh wow.
Got quite a lot of jewellery actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta say, I've gotta admire these. These are it's quite amazing, the collection you've got. How much did? Oh, wow, are they real gold?
Oh yeah, they are.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh my god, guys, I can't keep this up.
These are like my party outfit.
Oh, these are the party outfit. Right?
Yeah.
Do you reckon it's to me? Like,
I mean, you can try it.
oh, it doesn't come off.
It doesn't because it's so expensive, so they're locked in.
Oh, do you have to? Oh, I see. Oh, fair enough.
There's like a security code and everything.
All I've noticed all of your clothes are a bit like that. Like,
Yeah, because we're just designers. They just send them to me, and I don't have time to go
to actually
through
go.
every single thing.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh, is this also yours over here? Is this like the spare bedroom?
Yeah, this is more like a guest room actually.
I've got an admission. I've been actually living in here for the last year. You just haven't noticed.
Yeah, that's why it looks really dirty.
Wow.
Filthy. It's all blacked out.
The insults. Wow. The arrow says to go that way, but we're going backwards.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it.
Gotta say, can I ask you why are random people coming into your bedroom?
Why? Oh, because it's just such an amazing place.
Right. And it's located in the middle of Ikea.
It's not, it's a movie set. So they're basically renting my room as a movie set.
Right.
So all these people are actors.
Oh, I see. Okay, that makes it. That's probably why she just walked in. Gotta say.
They pay me good money.
They don't even talk to you, like none of the other actors.
Don't exist. It's meant to be like, they're meant to see it as a place they come in and shop.
Oh, I see. Okay, makes sense. Like, there's not just a shop.
Yeah.
Is that why everything's got price tags as well?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay.
But once they finish filming, I will take all the price tags.
No. Hey. So yeah. Anyway, let's continue looking. Wait, come on, Anna. Don't lose your balls. I think Amra was getting into the act there quite well. And then just brace free. My balls! Oh, this is my house. As you can see, I've got my shirts over there. Been checking out the doctor recently. Oh, this is quite nice. How do you like my house? Look, I've got my flowers from earlier.
Oh yes, your flowers.
The theme still goes quite well. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, that mirror is nice.
That is a nice mirror.
Oh, it's only £40.
Hey. That's not bad. Buy it.
I actually would have
Buy it. Buy it.
Yeah.
Buy it. I'm a bad influence, right? She's like, she told me before, right? Oh, let me make sure I don't buy anything, and there's me like, buy it. All right, guys. So Amna said to get on this trolley. I don't know what she's planning to do. What are you planning to do? Are you just planning to crash me into everything?
Still moving, I can't.
All right. Am I too fat? I'm too fat. I'm about to fall off, low key. I'm too fat.
Right, ready?
Oh god, don't hit me into anything. Yo,
Why did you keep moving?
because you're about to hit me into something.
I'm not.
You are. Look how close we're hit. Don't. Oh my god, don't. Ouch. Okay, you sit on that. Change your plan. Change your plan. Yo. Wow. I knew I should have trusted. It was. Alright, you guys, so that was the vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was a bit of a different video, but I do hope that you guys enjoyed it. You guys met Amna, so guys, drop a like for Amna. And also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe over here and watch my last video over here. I love you guys all. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. And peace.